Meaning of general stores.
General stores.
General stores.
General stores.
General stores. The term general stores refers to a type of retail establishment that sells a wide variety of merchandise, often including food, household essentials, and basic clothing items. These stores were historically common in rural areas where access to specialized stores was limited. Today, general stores have become less common as larger chain retailers have taken over the market, but some still exist, particularly in smaller towns. While the specific inventory of a general store can vary widely, they are typically known for offering a selection of everyday goods at affordable prices.